You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store. Hey everyone, I'm your host Casey, and today we're having a glitter dot challenge! In this challenge, our contestants will have to fill in their dinosaur stencils using nothing but glitter or glitter dots. Today we're using classic colors. Let's meet our contestants. Representing glitter, we have Tyler!
Glitter is the best!
Representing glitter dots, we have Aiden!
Glitter dots are the future!
All right, contestants, are you ready?
Yes, Casey!
Let's put 5 minutes on the clock. Ready, set, decorate! Looks like Glitter's having a little bit of a rough start here, but Glitter Dots is off to the get-go. Whoa, is Tyler putting the glue on his hands? That's a bold move. Whoa, Tyler's smearing the glue all over his canvas. Meanwhile, Aiden is just cruising along with his glitter dots. He looks calm, cool, and collected. Oh, it looks like the glitter is getting outside the lines. Tyler is using a couple different strategies here, but none of them seem to be working. But look how easy it is to place and squish those glitter dots. Tyler's still going though. Hey Tyler, how do you think it's going?
I don't think it's going so well, but I think I'm going to try a few new strategies.
Okay, what strategies have you already tried?
I tried throwing it on. I also tried sticking it. Also tried having the glue on my hands and then just sticking it. And you should look at the floor too.
Oh my goodness, that's so much mess.
Man, my mom is going to be really mad at me for this mess.
Well, I hope I'm not around for that. Okay, Aiden, it's looking really good. I've noticed how precise your glitter dot work is. It's pretty cool how you can keep it all inside the lines. 10 seconds left, contestants. Final touches!
Get this off me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! Well, Tyler, how do you think it went?
Not so great, but I'm confident with it.
You're confident with it? Let's take a closer look. Well, it looks like you have glue everywhere. And how do you feel about the glitter, your placement?
I feel not that good about it.
I know, it's a little all over the place. Did you mean to mix it all together?
No.
Oh, yeah, it's hard to keep it all separate when it's like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna think about this. All right, Aiden, how do you feel about your dinosaur?
Really, really good.
And was it hard keeping the glitter in the lines?
Not at all.
That's amazing, and it looks like you have hardly any mess to clean up.
I know, right?
All right, everyone, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. The winner of this glitter dot challenge is Aiden!
Yes!
And we all know what that means. He gets a glitter dot celebration. But that also means that Tyler gets a glitter drop.
Oh, no.
You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.